Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here. And it's looking like our sell order here has been triggered. We're in a bit of drawdown right now as we are heading up into these areas here to really get, we're retesting this area of structure, aren't we? This previous level of resistance as support. This previous level of support as resistance. You can see here there's obviously a few levels here and here. If I can actually draw a straight line. There we go. Obviously here, this was a level that we did get rejected at, but we did actually run straight through it in the end, didn't we? With that bullish momentum for the wider market. We have seen some fairly decent rallies for altcoins, some nice big green candles for the first time in a while. This is the first time I've seen 3 or 4, green candles in a row for crypto in a long time, especially with a decent amount of volume and interest. So obviously going into the new year, we've had a little bit of a rally in the wider markets in general. So really interesting to see. And as we can see here for Vechain, we have come up into this area of structure now in this area here where we are getting currently rejected. Interestingly enough though, there is this bear market resistance here that we have been looking at for a good while that we're also looking at potentially breaking out of. Let me just redraw this in so it's looking a bit more clear. You can see obviously rejected here as well, and now looking like potentially we have seen a candle that has broken above this. So we could see maybe this could be back tested as resistance. If that was the case, we could see ourselves running up potentially to that 2.1 cent level here, that previous level of support that still hasn't been retested as resistance. That does need to be retested, doesn't it? Because it hasn't actually been retested this whole time. Obviously you could see we were coming down in this kind of descending wedge formation. Eventually we did get a little bit of a breakout sideways action, and then we've obviously seen a breakout here of this little bit of a range that we formed here, a break to the upside to retest this previous level of structure. We did say that we would take a short position in this area if we did retest it, so it remains to be seen what will happen next. But in our opinion, considering this bearish downtrend that we have seen, we'll probably still be looking at Vechain having a rollover, at least to backtest that previous level of support and see if we could get maybe a double bottom formation like this, or if we do see a continuation of this bullish trend in the market along with a clean breakout of this resistance, you could see Vechain, as we said, back up at that previous level of support as resistance, because it does have to be retested, because it hasn't been retested yet, has it really? And until we do see that retested, we probably won't come down and see lower lows, in my opinion, especially considering that we are seeing the markets get a little bit scooped up over the past few days. So interested to see what will happen next. My bias for the short term is still bearish, but mid to long term still bullish on many cryptos, Vechain included. And that would be our analysis for today, guys. So thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.